Good morning, children. Today I want to continue exercise 1.1. Last two sums are left. Fourth sum, use Euclid division lemma to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. The answer is, let a be any positive integer, and I am taking b value also 3. By Euclid division lemma, a is equal to b cube plus r. In the place of b, I substituted 3 cube plus r. So as we took b, r value will be 0, 1, 2. If r is 0, a is equal to 3 cube plus 0, a is equal to 3 cube. He said cube. Cube means we have to cube both sides. Cubing on both sides, a cube is equal to 3 cube whole cube. 3 multiplied 3 times will give 27 cube. I am taking 9 common from this. 9 3s are 27 cube. I am assuming 3 cube as m, 9m. So cube of any integer is in the form of 9m. We got first one. Similarly, in the place of r, I took 1. A is equal to 3 cube plus 1. Again cubing on both sides. A cube is equal to 3 cube plus 1 whole cube. This is in the form of a plus b whole cube, which gives us a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. A cube is equals to 27 cube plus 3 into this 3 square will become 9, q square is as it is. 3 3s are 9 cube, 1 square is 1, 1 cube is again 1. I am taking 9 common from first, second, third terms. You see, 9 3s are 27 cube. 9 3s are 27, or 9 I have taken already common. 3 q square is left. 3 3s are 9 already I have taken common. We left with only q plus 1. I am assuming this whole thing as m, that is in the place of m, 3q plus 3q square plus q I have taken. So a cube is equal to 9m plus 1. You see, cube of any polynomial is in the form of 9m plus 1. Lastly, if r is equals to 2, 3 cube plus 2, cubing on both sides, it is in the form of a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. 3 cube 27 cube. 3 into 3 square is 9 cube square into 2. 3 into 3 cube, 2 square is 4, 2 cube will give 8. From first, second, third terms, I am taking 9 common. 9 3s are 27 cube. I have taken 9 common, left with 3 2s are 6 cube square. 3 3s are 9, I have taken common. 4 cube left. Lastly, 8 is as it is. Then, we are assuming this whole thing as m, where m is equal to 3 cube, 6 cube square plus 4 cube. Then, from 1 to 3, the cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So, fourth sum is over. Lastly, I am taking fifth sum. Show that one and only one out of n plus 2, n plus 4 is divisible by 3. Where n is a positive integer. n plus 2, n plus 4. These are three different numbers. In the place of n, I am taking 1. 1 comma 1 plus 2, 1 plus 4. 1 plus 2 is 3, 1, 3, 1 plus 4 is 5. Out of these three sums, you see, 3 is divisible by 3. He said, show that one and only one out of these three numbers is divisible by 3. Next, in second thing, I am taking n plus 2, n plus 4. In the place of n, I took 2. 2 comma 2 plus 2, 2 plus 4. 2 comma 2 plus 2 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. So, this 6 is divisible by 3. N plus 2, n plus 4. Put n is equal to 3 here. 3 plus 2, 3 plus 4. 3 plus 2 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7. See, out of these three numbers, 3 is divisible by 3. See, you can check. Out of these three numbers, 3 is divisible by 3, 6 is divisible by 3, Like that you will be getting so as many numbers as you can proceed. You can proceed as many numbers as you can. That's all for today. So with this we have finished exercise 1.1 in first chapter real numbers 10th class mathematics. Thank you. Please follow all the sums. Do without seeing. You apply some other different numbers and get practice yourself. So make a reflection from this first exercise. Thank you.